Welcome to the Singapore Yachting Festival 2024 edition. My name is Frank Boguet. I'm the Vice President of Yacht Ownership and Product Development. We're here at 115 Marina for this edition of the Yachting Festival. We're very happy to be back here. The show was interrupted by COVID for a couple of years. We came back with 5 yachts here. We have the Leopard 42, the Leopard 50, the Leopard 40 Power Cat, Leopard 46 Power Cat, and the Leopard 53 Power Cat. We own the Leopard 53 right now in the main salon. We're here with this Leopard brand, which is basically a retail, direct sale division of our business. In the region, we also have a base in Phuket under the Sancerre brand, and we added moorings also in Phuket with some catamaran, sailing catamaran, but also power catamaran. We have the new Leopard 40 PC going to Phuket at the end of the year under the Moorings 4 3PC branding. And here in this area, we do a lot of, most of our activities around the Leopard brand, private owners, selling the boats directly to customers here. But we also would like to develop more, not only selling charters, which will be for people in the region to rent and charter our yachts worldwide. We have 22 destinations in the world and we operate about 750 yachts. The last element that is something that we would like to introduce to this market is actually very core to our business, which is to purchase a yacht into our yacht ownership program. What that means is basically buying one of our monohull. We also have monohulls, catamaran or powerboat. They go into our fleet, either moorings or Sancerre, and for the owners, we're taking care of all the expenses on the boat. They get revenues, and they can use weeks all over the world. It's a concept that is not necessarily very well known here that we would like to introduce. Please come see us. We have 5 yachts here, and we would like to see you at this wonderful boat show. Thank you very much.